Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Najma and welcome to the Tribes Code team. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. So first and foremost, let me wish you a happy new year. Though time has elapsed, but I feel like it's my position, I still need to wish you guys, because this being first video of the new year, I still need to wish you a happy new year and a blessed year ahead of you. So if you can tell that on today's video by the title, we're going to be doing a TV stand, or rather a TV cabinet shopping, plus we're going to be opening some packages which I got from different places, of which I'm going to share with you. My OOTD of the day, just simple, this cute habaya, again one of my favorite, and a black hijab. And let me share with you my today scent. I'm going in with a white orchid. I really love it. Actually, it's one of my favorite. You can tell. Yeah, it's one of my favorite. It smells amazing and it lasts long. So let's go shopping. So this is where I got my TV cabinet from. It's from Furniture's Shop. It's along, like when you're going to Bamburi Mtambo, it's along on the road. You can find them. Actually, they're at open place. You can see them when you're in Matatu. I'll leave her number down below to my description box. If you're interested, you can check her out. I really love their services. Actually, they're really nice. They did a nice job. So if you're interested and you really want one, you can check them out. Yeah. So hi guys. You know, it's a little bit late to vlog right now, but I must show you what I got. And it's around 6 something in the evening. I really had a lot to do. Apart from shopping, yes, I had other work to do, so I had to finish today, because tomorrow I'll be having a busy day. So I don't want the work of tomorrow to combine with I don't want the work of today to combine with tomorrow's work. No, that will be a lot of work and I don't want that. So I finally got what I wanted. Actually, I had two choices. You know, when you just go to a shop and you just set your mind to something, and when you walk in that shop, you just want something more of what like you wanted, but still ended up having what you really like planned for. You know, hearts want what it wants. So I really had to give my heart what it really desire, and I really came up with this design. I've been like saving the photo of this design a longest time. I really manifested for this thing, guys. Alhamdulillah, I got it. And let me show you what I got. So this is my baby. This is what I got. I really needed something simple, elegant, cute, nice, you know. And let me just show you. Excuse that, those are just my cables and my token. It has this part. It's very big. It can fit a speaker and other stuff that you wanna put. And also has this cute drawers. I really like it. Very cute. It also has this piece of hair. I don't know what I will do with it, but you guys are planning for this thing like crazy. Also has this part, the same like that one. Focus. Yeah. And up here, I really needed something like this so that I can be able to decorate and everything, you know. This is just my ring light wire. Don't mind it. And yeah, that's what I got. Very cute, very nice. Those are the packages that we're going to be opening. Very cute. I really love it. I really love the theme black and white, because I'd planned for this thing, guys. Even the decorating the decor theme, I'll be planning for it, which I will show you while we're opening the packages. So these are the packages. that we are going to be opening. I'm going to share everything down below to the description box, and if you're interested, you can check them out also for yourself. Yeah. So my first package is from Home Decor 254 on Instagram. You can check them out. They do have nice pieces to decorate your space at affordable price. Actually, I'm telling you. So I've already cut the tape, and my first piece I got, it's this decorating bead. It's very cute, very woody. I really love how it looks, everything. I really don't know the actual name of this bead, but I will leave it down below to my description box. It's worth the price, you guys, I'm telling you. Yeah. The second piece I got is this Chanel decorating book, the dummy book, and I get it in white and black. As you can see, like I said, you guys, I've planned for my TV stand. Hey, the way I'm going to decorate it, it's gonna blow you. So that is for my first. My second package, it's from Kilimall. I do love shopping at Kilimall. Actually, if I'm gonna find my all codes to the everything that I have bought, I'm going to leave it down to my description box. Yeah, so I have already cut the tape, and I got myself a humidifier. I got it on wood, and like some whitish. Yeah, so I got myself a humidifier because I also got some essential oil. I really needed this like for aromatherapy. You guys, it's very nice. And the second thing, it makes work easy for leaving your house smelling good, you know. Yeah, so while opening, the first thing you get it's cable, because I'm going to charge it, of course. And yeah, it uses electricity. The second thing, it's a manuscript on how to use it. I'm going to keep this because I really want to know how to use it, because yeah, I've never used a electronic humidifier. They're so common, but I haven't tried it. This is my first time. It's very cute. Look how it looks. Wow, I'm in love with it already. So this is where I'm going to plug the cable and charge it, and I suppose this is where the fresh air is going to come out in. So yeah, I'm having a time, but when opening, you need to roll it. So that's where you're going to put water and your essential oil or anything that you want to use, and close up. Oops. So I think I need to be extra careful of this thing, because if you see, they have like to something here. I think there are hooks like that, you see, and there's like a hole over here. You need to insert it, so you need to be extra careful while placing it or while closing it. I'm gonna keep this. That match it for my second package. And onto my third package, also from Kilimall. Like I said, love shopping at Kilimall. I don't know why. I don't know if I found that there are things cheaper than other sites, but also Juma, it's a very nice site to shop. I've shopped with them like several times. So we're having a receipt, a confirmation receipt. That's a must. And for my first item, I got this lipstick, Hananian lipstick. Actually, my sister bought these, and I fell in love with it. I loved them. Kwanza, I loved the package. I loved the way they placed inside, and the cover. It's protective, and I got them at shade A because there are two shades, A and B. So this is how they look inside. Look how the packaging. It's so nice, so cute, so lovely. It's worth the price, you guys, I'm telling you. Yeah, and the packaging, it's very easy to close, like to protect your lipstick from damage. I think they look so cute. I'm in love with them already. I've used like 2 of my sisters and they are perfect. I mean perfect. Worth the price. The second item, I got this mini humidifier. No, the mini essential oil. Actually, okay, the size is too small. I was expecting a little bit bigger, but the scent is strong, and my favorite one, because I've already smelled them, I was impatient. So I smell, and my favorite one is that jasmine. They smell so good, so nice. Actually, it's worth the price, because the smell is strong, and the packaging is good, and yeah, just love it. And that's much for my third package. So onto my fourth package is this. So I got this at kamukunji. At the time I was in Nairobi and I did not vlog. So I got this piece. It's a key holder. I'm going to mount it immediately when I walk in my door. And it was going for 600. Let me say it worth the price, guys. The piece looks so lovely. It's nice. It's cute. It's worth the price. Yeah. And next piece is this remote holder. Let me tell you guys, when I told you like I have manifested for this thing, I know what I'm saying. Okay, so this was a goal for 2021. Unfortunately, I had to carry forward on 2022, but this year I said, you know what, I'm not going to let my goal of 2021 hang. I have to accomplish it. I have to finish what I started. So the piece looks like this. The fact is black. I told you again. Yeah. So, and it has this knob where you place it on top of it just to make it more cuter, like that. The piece looks so lovely. I'm in love with it. What do you guys think? And again, I can't remember the shop that I bought this remote holder, but if I remember, I think I won't like half a video or like a video. I will post it. And that's all for my fourth package. Package number 5 is this vase flower pot. I got it from Nawal Centre in Mombasa, and I got it in black. Actually, I did not buy this thing today or yesterday. I had these things in my house, you know. Yeah, it's a nice piece. Look at that. I love the leafy detailing at this part, as you can see, and at this side I love the detailing, the decor, the flowered. The piece looks like this inside. It has it's wide, like inside you can see. It's a very beautiful piece that I got for myself. Very nice. I love it. They're having variety of vases. You can go and check them out at Nawal Centre. Yep, that's my 5th package. Package number 6, it's from Reema candles. I really love the package. Actually, she candle launched it and it was beautiful. I really love the packaging. I really love everything in this package. You can check her on Instagram. I'm also gonna link her down below. So let me show you. Let me first put you down. And I got this diffuser, red diffuser from the scent lemon and lime. It smells so nice. Then we have this room spray at lavender scent. I love it, and I'm telling you, it lasts. It's really lasts. So then we have this small candle which you can carry on your handbag while having time on your own. Light it and just it has a jasmine scent, by the way, and this is a oil burner. Yeah, the oil burner or the candle burner, and it comes with a set of the lighting candle, the small candle which you light it, put it inside, and yeah, melt your candles or your essence, then have that lighter, very cute. This then a pack of candles, of melting candles, and I'm telling you, they smell so nice, and they're having this love shape, very cute, very beautiful. Then we have this cute candle. I'm in love with this candle. Okay, it's a jasmine scent, and if you can tell, I'm starting like to love jasmine because of its scent. It smells so good, it smells so nice, and I love the candle itself. I love the packaging and everything. Actually, it's worth the price. Check it, I'm gonna leave on my description box. Look at that, look at that, very cute, very nice. Immediately this kind of finish, I'm going to use this thing on something. I can throw it. It's very cute to be thrown, don't you think? Yeah, so very cute. And also she has these trays, the wooden tray. They're very cute. They're made of resin, if I'm not wrong, and I love resin thing. You can see. Let me put you close. Yeah, there you go. We have this black and like silver and a goldish, and that's my 6. Our package number 7 and the last one. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these flowers, the artificial flower, also from Nawal Centre. Yeah, they have variety of flowers. If you're in love with flowers like me, go get yours. I love the fact that they are white again. Yeah, they're very cute. I'm just going to cover them until it's time to decorate my TV stand, at the time that I'm going to remove them from these papers. Yeah, so our package number 7, it's from Curtain Planet. I'm gonna leave their details down below. Thank you so much for promoting this channel. Thank you again. Yeah, I'm gonna leave all their details down below through the description box, and I'm telling you guys, they're having rich fabrics, and their curtains, they're in variety also. Oops, I got, let me just remove this, they're not part of the 7. So look at these are my shears, and look, I got this piece. I loved it. I love the fact that it has like mustard yellow, black, white, gray, that all my colors, guys, you know. Yeah, and the material, it's rich. I really love the texture of the material, and this is the curtain itself, very pretty, very beautiful. And again, I prefer my curtain having rings, and I prefer my shears just without rings. I think that work perfectly. And look at this side, the material, it's rich. I love it. Yeah, so guys, that's much for this video. If you like it, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new subscribers, welcome, and I'll see you to my next video. Don't miss out. Click the bell to be notified whenever I'm going to post the next video, and I'll see you to my next video. Bye.